the costly tail, understanding, an arm and a leg. Hello, lovely learners. Today we're diving into a popular English idiom that might sound a bit strange at first. An arm and a leg. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you insight into the colorful world of English expressions. The phrase, an arm and a leg, is an idiom, which means it's a type of expression where the meaning isn't directly related to the words themselves. When someone says something costs an arm and a leg, they're not talking about a literal body part transaction. Instead, they mean that something is very expensive or costs more than they are willing to pay. It's a vivid way of saying that the cost is as valuable as losing essential parts of one's body. Understanding the origins of idioms can be fascinating and helps you remember their meanings better. The exact origin of an arm and a leg isn't clear, but it's thought to have become popular in the United States during or just after World War II. Some theories suggest that it refers to soldiers who lost limbs in the war, indicating a high personal cost. Others believe it's simply a progression from other similar phrases used earlier in history that also involved body parts to measure high costs. Using an arm and a leg in conversation is quite simple. It's often used in a humorous or slightly exaggerated way to express the high price of something. For example, my new car cost me an arm and a leg. Have you seen the price of those tickets? They're charging an arm and a leg. Remember, this idiom is typically used for things that are significantly more expensive than expected, not just for anything that's slightly costly. English is rich with variations and creativity in language. While an arm and a leg is the standard form, you might sometimes hear variations like, it cost me an arm and a leg and a firstborn. Exaggerating even further, it cost me a fortune. A more direct and less colorful way of saying something is very expensive. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, an arm and a leg. Now you know that this quirky phrase is a playful way to express the high cost of something, with no actual limbs involved. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a fun, expressive twist to your English conversations. Keep learning, and remember, mastering a language is not about paying an arm and a leg. It's about enjoying the journey of discovery. See you in the next video.